Hi, I'm Colin from Sash Windows. I'm going to introduce in this video our EcoSlide window. This window is in smooth white, it's got welded corners, it's got optional run-through horns, and there's a 152 sill as standard. This window is shown with chrome furniture. It comes as standard with the pole eyes and sash lifts fitted already. It's got chrome tilt knobs, and these safety restrictors also come as standard. There's a small key just inside, you just have to turn it and the safety restrictors pop out. It has an optional astragal bar. It's fitted on the outside of the glass. Inside there's a warm edge spacer bar. As standard, this window has toughened glass in the top and bottom sash. This window tilts inwards for easy cleaning and slides up and down. If you'd like any more information, please call us on 01525 552 131 or Google Colin Sash Windows.